Hi guys, wait. So today we're gonna play a push tower again. It has so many secrets. It's on the it's at the floor. This is what you know this now, okay guys? You know this now. Now you know this guys, okay? You know this guys. We need to go to that top, the red. What is this? Okay, do you remember that glitch, guys? I'm recording earlier. It was like so I didn't. My screen recorder is deleted because it cannot upload. So going into the because much later I'm gonna go somewhere. Whee! Let's keep going. I will not speak. Let's just record. I'm gonna speak when I'm on the red. Okay, guys? I hope I don't fall. Much. Later. I can't see the goal. Ah! Gonna disappear, girl. Be careful, girl. Ah! I just fall. And I'm not doing it. Okay, my mom is done showering, bro. You can hear it on my room. They disappeared. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, sorry for that, guys. For saying a bad word. I just fall. I fall. I just fall. My friend Tasha is English. Oh my god, my mom is speaking Tagalog. Okay, guys. We're going now somewhere. Okay, guys. Now we're on the pin, so we can see we're on the orange now, guys. So into the red. There are gonna be, I watch the Maya. Ah! I just fall because it's my unlucky day because we're not good up anymore. I'm on the blue because my skin is push. Huh? I just fall and I trust that girl. Gola! I hate that girl. I always trust her. I didn't. But I see him on Murder Mystery 2. Oh, but oh my god. Oh my god, she's raining, guys. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Escalator, please. Ay! Escalator, please. We're on the pink now, guys. Look at this, guys. I click it early. I teleported. Ah! Ah! Always escalator, please! No! Mallow. Okay, he is here now. I hate this game, okay? All of this later. Make a video for 8 minutes. It's making nonsense. Because I always fall like this. Speed run. Gonna speed run this. Guys, you know that thing. The guys, did you see that the black finger? The black what's glitching? Speed run. Guys, guys, I always fall like a monkey. No! at this thing. I fold this for me. Guys, did you just hear that? No one is voice chatting, bro. No. Who the frick just, ano guys, who the frick just speak? Guys, that's the end of the video. Bye-bye.